This is Samin Asghar and I have a milestone to report. My course AI in the Classroom Strategies and Tools for Educators has now over 300 learners. Through our online cohorts, I've had the chance to interact with a diverse learner base from all over Pakistan. And this experience has been extremely fulfilling, and I've learned a lot from our teachers as well, who are dedicated to improving their teaching practice. The live sessions also include hands-on practice, peer interaction, and support from our teaching staff. As part of the cohort, participants also get to access our pre-recorded videos and reading materials which they can access at their own convenience. It's been inspiring to see how our educators across the country are using AI to plan smarter, teach better, and enhance the potential of their students. Thank you to everyone who's been a part of this journey, and here's to many more learners.